Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect Lovable to Supabase. Firstly, go to Supabase, then click New Project. Set project name, database, password, and wait for setup to finish. Now in your Supabase dashboard, go to Settings, then API. Copy project URL and anon public key. You'll use these inside Lovable. Now go to your Lovable dashboard, then open your app or project. Find Settings or Integrations, then look for Supabase integration. Pass project URL anon key, and this will connect Lovable to your Supabase backend. Now you can create tables in Supabase manually or ask Lovable AI to do it. Also, you can create a users table with ID, name, email, etc. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.